Hi friends, this is a bit of a delayed video. I'm hoping that you all had a wonderful Christmas and New Year's season. And today I'm going to show you how to make some homemade eggnog in my Pampered Chef cooking blender. So first we are going to add 3 cups of whole milk. A cup and a half of heavy whipping cream. Now for this, you can either choose rum or bourbon. I chose the Evan Williams Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. We're going to do half a cup. And if you don't like things that are strong, like they have a strong alcoholic flavor, this is perfect for you because you cannot taste it. Then we're going to do 1/3 cup of sugar. Then you're going to do a whole teaspoon of vanilla. We have pure vanilla extract here. You can use imitation, but pure is always the best, of course. Then you're going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Then you're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to place your lid on, and you want to make sure you have it in the lock mode. You can't really, like that, you can't really do anything with it off anyway. Then you're going to spin your knob here to the sauce setting. And here. All you're going to do is press the wheel. All right, we'll be back with you as soon as the cycle is done. Now we're going to separate 6 eggs. We're only going to use the egg yolks, not the whites. Okay, so the first cycle is done and it now says to add. So I am now going to add my 6 egg yolks. Just twist this off and dump it down in there. There you go. Then all you do is hit the wheel again. The target temperature for the first stage is 176 degrees Fahrenheit. And during the second stage, the target temperature is 205 degrees Fahrenheit. And we are almost there, as you can see, getting a little frothy. And thick. As you can see, it has now reached 205 degrees, and a timer is counting down. It's almost done. It is now finished. So now you're going to hit the cancel button. And I'm going to turn it off. And I'm actually going to leave it in the pitcher because it's very, very hot. As you can see, it reached 205 degrees. I want it to cool down a bit before I transfer it to this plastic pitcher. And then we're going to cool it down in the fridge. And I will show you what it looks like prepared a little bit later. Now we're going to transfer it to the fridge to allow it to thicken for a while before we pour a glass. Alright, I'm going to stir it up real nice. This is some that I've already had prepared in the fridge. We're going to stir it up. It's kind of thick. Thanks so much for watching, friends. I hope you're having a wonderful week. This turned out really good, nice and creamy with great rich flavor. I recommend trying it, especially with my Pampered Chef cooking blender. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe below.